Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. So we'll be looking at mathematics Olympiad problem. The question is given: let A, B, C are positive real numbers for which A plus B into A plus C is equal to BC plus 2, B plus C into B plus A equal to CA plus 5, C plus A into C plus B is equal to AB plus 9. Then find A, B, C, product A into B into C. So here some logic is there, that's why this problem is selected. As you are going to solve this problem, before starting pause the video and try it. And also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So here given A plus B, A plus C is equal to BC plus 2. B plus C into B plus A is equal to CA plus 5. Next, C plus A into C plus B is equal to AB plus 9. Let it be 1, this one is 2, and this is 3. So here multiplying A 1 into 2 into 3. So why you are multiplying 1, 2, 3 means here this is only the logic you are having in this problem. Multiplying A, B and 1 into 2 into 3. So here A plus B into A plus C plus B plus C into B plus A plus C plus A into C plus B is equal to BC plus 2 plus CA plus 5 plus AB plus 9. So here why you are multiplying, you will get the answer. So here A square plus AC plus AB plus BC. First one product, multiplying these two. Next one B square plus AB plus BC plus AC. Product of this one is this 4 terms. Third one C square plus BC plus AC plus AB. So this is a product of these two is equal to BC plus 2 plus CA plus 5 plus AB plus 9. So here AB cancel, CA or AC cancel, BC cancel. Now here if you write the terms, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA is equal to 60 now. Now this is the formula, A plus B plus C whole square. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to 16. A plus B plus C is equal to 4. Since A, B, C are positive real, so we are not taking minus 4 here, we are taking positive numbers. So A, B, C value is 4. Now this is the first step. Now the second step, we are taking the first equation A plus B into A plus C is equal to BC plus 2. Now if you multiply this, A square plus AC plus AB plus BC is equal to BC plus 2. BC cancel. Now here you can take A common. A plus B plus C is equal to 2. So here A into 4 is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 by 4. You are getting A value 1 by 2. Now similarly, if you take the second one you'll get b plus c into b plus a is equal to ca plus 5. So this can be written as b into a plus b plus c is equal to 5. So here b into 4 is equal to 5, b is equal to 5 by 4. So therefore b value is 5 by 4. In the same way, if you take third one c plus a into c plus b is equal to ab plus 9. Then here you will get c into a plus b plus c is equal to 9. So c into 4 is equal to 9. C is equal to 9 by 4. Now what is required? He is asking to find the value of A, B, C. A value 1 by 2, B value 5 by 4, C value 9 by 4, 45 by, here we are getting 45 by 32. 45 by 32. So this is the required answer, 45 by 32. I hope you understood the video. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. So here we are having more than 500 videos. You can go through all the 500 videos. Thank you.